voudrais déjà féliciter APR pour sa victoire parce que, à la différence de nous, ils ont fait un match digne de l'événement, ce qui n'était pas notre cas. On a été beaucoup trop loin d'un match de haut niveau, dans beaucoup trop de secteurs. C'est ce qui me dérange le plus. On n'a pas eu la bonne approche. Alors je ne sais pas si c'est dû à une charge émotionnelle, une pression trop forte chez certains. Mais non seulement on n'a pas joué, mais on a déjoué en plus. Et voilà, donc on avait trop de carences défensivement, trop de carences offensivement. Et voilà, donc après, c'est difficile d'exister dans un match comme celui-là quand on a des déficits comme ça.
Coach, tu as aligné 6 nouveaux joueurs. Donc, l'équipe de Rayon Sports a changé donc 50% de votre line-up. Pourquoi tu as décidé de faire ça?
J'ai décidé parce qu'on a fait venir des joueurs et qu'à partir du moment où on les a fait venir, c'était aussi pour qu'ils participent. Ils participent, voilà. Alors certains diront que c'était trop précoce, d'autres diront ceci, d'autres diront cela. Mais effectivement, de toute façon, je ne peux pas faire mes responsabilités puisque c'est moi qui ai choisi cette équipe-là. Donc forcément, je suis responsable. Mais je vais analyser le match aussi à tête reposée. Voilà, si j'ai fait ça, c'est parce que je voulais aussi apporter autre chose dans le jeu. Et c'est pas forcément ces joueurs-là qui nous ont posé le plus de problèmes. Donc je pense qu'il faut regarder les choses avant d'incriminer qui que ce soit. Mais en tout cas, oui, c'est de ma responsabilité. J'ai décidé de faire jouer ces joueurs-là parce que j'ai estimé qu'ils pouvaient jouer ce match-là.
Coach, don't you think it caused you many problems because of playing some 6 new signings without a week of trainings?
No, I think it's a life for a squad. You have players who's coming, or players who are leaving. It's when you have professional players, normally they can play any game because they know their job. But one more time, I need to check everything more in details because I don't think we have so much problem with the new players.
Coach, are you going to beg for other players after such loss?
We will see. One more time, we need to analyze what's happened today. Even we know, because everybody saw what's happened. And but my biggest problem, my biggest problem is not about the sportive aspect, but more about, let's say, the mental aspect or the psychological aspect. There's some few things that I really didn't like this evening. I saw some behavior who are not behavior of professional player, and I don't like. I really don't like. So I will take some decision, but because I cannot accept this kind of behavior.
So,
which one?
Which kind of behavior?
Behavior. When you play football, football is a collective game. So it means that you are partners. It means that you play for your team and you don't play for yourself. So I don't want this kind of behavior. Who players who are here for themselves, who don't care about what you can tell them, who think that they can do what they want. It's not acceptable, and I won't accept it.
So you mean there are kind of egos in the team?
Sorry?
You mean there is ego and
Ego.
selfishness in the team.
Yeah, yes, sure. But this, everywhere it's like this. You go in a high level in Europe, it's the same. You have players with a big ego, but it makes a difference between to have a big ego and to play for the team.
So, Coach, losing to APR, the biggest rivalry in the country, don't you think it is going to put the pressure on? And how do you think you are going to manage the pressure?
For me?
Yeah.
I'm a coach, I'm not a magician. I'm here for 2 weeks. I need time. I find player here in this squad. I don't need to explain you all the problems that Rayon has since the beginning of the season. So I will do my best. I need a little bit more time because I know I will see soon what I want. And but one more time, before to find the good, how you say in English, habit, it's correct in English?
Yeah.
Before to have the good habit, you need to cancel the bad habit, if you understand.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.